Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ERBB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance easier to see. And in this case, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was, going into the day, and then where it ultimately closed, and then you factor in the volume too, I think any rational person would agree that, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move today. But that does lead to the very logical question of, but is this price movement have any sort of genuine power? Or in other words, is this the start of something bigger? Are the bulls, ramping up the engines? I have no idea, but like I said, by using the chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that point on the chart is down here at 0013. Why is 0013 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, are going to make progress forward. If this is the start of something bigger, well, then the price is going to keep on getting bigger. Or in other words, like I said, the price is going to keep on making progress forward. So when you stop and think about it, what happens if the price were to come down here and break down through 0013 and then just keep on separating? At that point in time, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas the price continues to do what it's been doing, and I use the word continue because you look here, and you can see a whole bunch of times the bears try to press down through that 0013, but to give the bulls full credit, the bulls have been doing a fantastic job of holding. So if the price does come down there and, bounces off there a few more times and then does something like this, now what would that give you from the big picture perspective? Well, that'd give you a big old set of lows here. Previous set of lows would be down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now the stair steps are progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to keep on getting bigger. And I'm just defining, quote unquote, getting bigger as progressing, and progressing being defined as 0013. So 0013, definitely that key level of support. And as far as resistances are concerned, not a huge priority in my opinion. My opinion is just that as long as the price builds higher bases, the chart will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So just focus on going through healthy consolidations, and the long-term chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.